Welcome to today's edition of the AI Eye, watching stock news, deal tracker, and advancements in artificial intelligence. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to another episode of the AI Eye podcast. For stock news today, SAP is embedding IBM Watson AI tech into its SAP solutions, and Oracle has announced new innovations to its machine learning-powered autonomous data warehouse. Then we're going to take a look at some projections for the global citizen services AI market. But just before we get into the show today, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change podcast, as well as many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. Right, so SAPSE, which trades on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol SAP, and IBM, which trades on the NYSE under the ticker IBM, have announced plans to embed the latter's Watson technology into SAP solutions to provide new AI-driven insights and automation to help accelerate innovation and create more efficient and effective user experiences across the SAP application portfolio. This will see Watson powering the digital assistant in SAP Start, for instance, leveraging natural language capabilities and predictive insights using IBM Watson AI solutions. Christian Klein, SAP's CEO, said, quote, "This milestone collaboration with IBM aims to provide SAP customers a better user experience, faster decision-making, and greater insights to help transform their business processes. Working together to incorporate additional AI, machine learning, and other intelligent technologies into SAP solutions can lead to better business outcomes for our joint customers." Today's news, along with the recent news of our expanded use of Red Hat Enterprise Linux, is a prime example of how the rich 50-year partnership between our companies continues to grow stronger and move the industry forward. End quote. Next up, Oracle Corporation, which trades on the New York Stock Exchange as ORCL, has announced new innovations to its Oracle Autonomous Data Warehouse, described as the industry's first and only autonomous database powered by machine learning and optimized for analytics workloads. Satine Ozbutan, I'm sure I pronounced that wrong, the EVP of Data Warehouse and Autonomous Database Technologies at Oracle, explains, quote, "Customers face many obstacles when analyzing siloed data across on-premises, cloud, and software-as-a-service applications, especially the lack of multi-cloud and data lake interoperability, and the need to assemble an array of disjointed tools and services to support the data analytics ecosystem. The latest Oracle Autonomous Data Warehouse innovations make it easier for customers to query, manage, share, and scale their data regardless of location. We continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in data management systems to deliver the performance, automation, and multi-cloud integration for all key database workloads and data types." End quote. We're going to shift gears here and take a look now at a report published by Polaris Market Research, which finds that the global market for citizen services AI is projected to grow from $6.35 billion USD in 2022 to $237.39 billion by 2032, registering a compound annual growth rate of 43.7% in the forecast period. The following excerpt from the report's description outlines some key factors influencing the market's growth. Quote, "The growing use of citizen services AI technology across a variety of end-use industry verticals, including government, manufacturing, transportation, and healthcare, as it develops and learns for each task, managing crucial public services, providing an adequate implementation and analytical information that is expected to boost the growth of the global market over the course of the study period." End quote. And that's it for today's AII. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products or services or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, and most audio platforms available. This podcast was sponsored by AppTech Payments Corp. AppTech is an innovative fintech company whose mission is to deliver a better way for businesses to provide their customers with immersive commerce experiences.